so I don't know why I'm so excited. We're in lockdown right now, but I picked up some stuff for the house because, and Mama's made like a shitload of marinated stuff. We're having a barbecue today. Whoop, whoop. It's a great thing that Mama and Papa have a great big house because the kids can wander around and be free and stop annoying us. Yeah, alhamdulillah. This is what Mama made, by the way. She's marinated some chicken drums. I don't like chicken legs. Some chicken breast. Yes, I'll be having that. Some chicken mince. Ooh, coleslaw. Some potato salad. And some... I hate this salad thing. It's just so gross. It just reminds me of leaves. But alhamdulillah, at least we have some food. And I picked up some ready-made stuff as well. Like, you know, my favorite thing about a barbecue, alright, is the processed meat. I like the hot dogs. I like the processed burgers with the ghibli bits in it. Yeah, that's the stuff that I like. I don't like the fresh meat that's marinated. Yeah, see, that's fat life. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys outside whilst Mama's cooking. Alright. Hey kids. Hey kids. Hey Nafia. Hey Nafia.
You're giving me a bad angle.
No, I am tilting it in a right way where you look about 2 stone lighter. 2? No, I don't know what you're doing. You're making yourself look like a bodybuilder right now. No. Yeah. Yes, girlfriend. Show people the trick you do to stick your double chin in.
Okay, look, it's like that.
Okay, yeah. No. It isn't like this usually. Do it like usual. Okay, yeah.
Okay, like that.
Oh my good gosh, she didn't last a whole goddamn person. Yes, I eat everything, Mama. Don't you know that I eat everything?
Okay, I'm gonna use 1 pack. Okay, thank you.
Yum. So this is another installation. We're trying to set up this place area for you guys. And Mama picked up this swing. This is so cute. I was thinking, why don't we do it like the whole Asian way? And, you know, put like a rope this direction. It would have saved a bit of money as well. And then put a little log, maybe a wooden slab and 2 ropes. And that's it. You guys would have played with that. That's what we did when we were younger, by the way. We couldn't get these kind of things. Yeah, she doesn't give a shit. What'd you say?
You lived in a shed.
We lived in a shed. Girl, it was hard times when we were younger.
Hello.
Hey, I love your PJs. Who was strict?
Your auntie.
That's a whole different story, Ayla. A whole different story, girlfriend. Caleb, let's see your top, please. This was sent by Mubarak London. It says cute. Please say mashallah. I love it.
You crazy, Mila.
Such a nice... What'd you say? She said, you crazy, Mila. You're so rude. Say, you guys are matching outfits. You guys are both in cream. You're both in cream outfits. Zuh. 3-second rule. How cute are they?
Plastic dabbe rao.
What's this knife? Put it in the hot pot. Well, it could have used a bit now, Joanne. Everybody said on my thing. Well, not everybody. A few people were like,
Yeah, what is that noise?
a few people were like, why'd you go to restaurants and think you're a chef or a food critic? Shut the hell up. I enjoy food, so let me criticize whatever I like and whatever I dislike. These kebabs are incredible. I'm just out here trying to get a little bit of a tan. Okay, so the next thing we're doing with the kids is making, well, the next thing I'm doing with the kids is making some chocolate egg nests. So these are the ingredients you need. You need cereal. I'm using the cornflake one, but you could use Rice Krispies. Cupcake trays. A few, you can get sprinkles, whatever sprinkles. We're getting some balls as well to mix on within the nests. Eggs to top the cupcakes, cooking chocolate as well as for flavor, some dairy milk as well. It's no bake, very easy, very simple thing to do with the kids whilst in lockdown. Right, kids? You excited? Yes? We just put a mat down. They call me Madam Maliha, by the way, whenever we're cooking. It's quite cute. Yes?
No.
Hey, can you guys be nice? Be nice, please. Amaya, be nice, and Yusuf and Caleb, be nice as well, please. You guys are cousins.
When are we gonna start?
We're doing it now. I'm just melting the chocolate, okay? Give me a second. Okay, guys, break up the chocolate in this because we're gonna melt it then. Well done. Everybody break some up.
I'm done.
Well, you sit down then. When you're done, sit down, okay? We've placed boiling water in this little saucepan and place a bowl on top so the chocolate can melt. Just let the chocolate melt then, and then you can stir it up. Brilliant. Amaya, go have a little go. Do you want to stir it? Well done. Can Yusuf have a little go now too, baby? Good girl. There we go. Get down. Yusuf, come here. There we go. Go and have a little stir.
I can see the chocolate.
Well done, honey. Here we go.
Caleb.
Okay. Caleb, you want to have a little mix? Yeah? Come on then. Come here, baby. Come here, run to me. He wants to have a little mix. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay, hold it. You want a little mix, Caleb? Well done. Right, I think, is it done, Ayla?
Yeah.
It's smooth now. Yeah? Brilliant. Okay, so let me put this down in the middle. And now, what I'm going to do is a spoon each. 1, 2, 3, and Ayla's got the spoon. Okay, let me pour it. Wait, let me pour it. Keep mixing.
It looks like a waterfall. I bet we need more chocolate. I'm below. I'm with Caleb.
I think we can put more thing in.
Wow. Whoa! Ayla, this is so cool. I think I'm gonna eat this.
I think we could put a little bit more in, you know.
This is a lot.
So what we do, these are the decorations. The silver balls that you can put on top. The mini egg goes finally. And then you can pick which sprinkle you want to top your thing
You only
with.
have one sprinkle.
Yeah, you can mix it around, it's fine. But you get a turn each, so you guys must share everything, okay?
Yeah.
Let me show you guys how I do mine. So 1, and then another 1, 2, and then
3.
3. This 3 is loads, I think. 3 is so many. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the sprinkles. I think the sprinkles are very cool. I'm just gonna, and I'm just gonna put a few sprinkles, just a few sprinkles. Look, I just put a tiny bit of sprinkles on top. So to finish my little nest, I'm gonna put 1 little egg in the middle. So this is my little bird nest with a little egg in the middle. And then what you do is you place it in the fridge and let it completely get nice and firm and cold. And then it's ready to eat. So this one is gonna go in the plate, and I wanna see you guys do the same, okay? Well done. Caleb, do you want to eat your apple in a bit and make yours? Here we go. So Ayla, these are your guys' creations. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge, let it firm for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. Yum. And these are the ones for us, basically, because I love me a good old cornflake nest as well. Nom. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. So quick and easy, isn't it? You guys should definitely do it with your kids. Okay, guys, you ready to eat?
Yeah. Okay, this is mine.
Anyways, make these with your children. It's so easy. It took us like 10 minutes and we had so much fun, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in a sec. And so today is another day in lockdown, and I cleaned the whole house, washed the dishes, fed the kids breakfast, whilst my sisters were sleeping. So what I'm going to do now is help Papa build the furniture up so the kids have somewhere to sit outside and we could chill out and sunbathe and everything else, okay? We're following these steps.
Thank you so much.
And Papa's screwing the stuff in.
Yeah, but please make a note because this is not a professional thing.
Hopefully it looks
They
something like
say,
this when I'm
the
finished.
camera's working. You should.
So me and Papa completed this. It took ages, ain't gonna lie, and my fingers are killing me, but do you want to sit down, kids?
Yeah.
Hi, Navia.
I'll sit here.
Woo!
Here.
She looks fine today. Fire, 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 fire. He's wearing a dress that's kind of like fire, fire too.
look.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I better shut this.
No, that's what you want.
Such a little poses.
Filters are about to
Behind the scenes, the true real thing. Okay, the true real thing.
Mama, you look like an Navi.
And now he's a bride, by the way. Your husband inside the house, girlfriend. We picked up a bench and we're still on this little thing. So I have a cheese board in the making. Let me tell you guys, this cheese is so delicious. And this is the onion and chive cheese as well. Beef salami, halal obviously. And this is for dipping as well. So yeah. So I made this, guys, in like 15 minutes. Well, this wasn't much making, but this is the nachos done. See, just basic chips, some toppings. I put these toppings with the salsa as well. Fresh homemade mango juice, spring rolls, chicken nuggets, pasta salad, and you're good to go. And hi. We're outside, sun's out, chilling. Life, okay, could be better, but you know, without COVID, but it's fine. Alhamdulillah, we're together. Alhamdulillah. We have another project right now, and we're doing the ratatan furniture right now. Papa's bailed, so the women are coming together to do this together. Yes. Whilst Mama, let me cover Mama, most of Mama. There we go. Mama's laying down, enjoying life, chilling out with the bits out. I'm gonna blow up this swimming pool for the kids. Now let me tell you guys a really quick trick is for those people who don't have a pump. We have a pump, but the pump is kind of shit. So I'm going to use, I cut off the top of the Pepsi bottle, and what I'm gonna do is get the hairdryer, put the hairdryer in it, attach to the tube. This tube right here, okay. And then it's supposed to blow the whole swimming pool up. I've done it so many of the times at home because I don't have a pump at home, and it's worked a treat. It's like it takes like 3 minutes for the whole swimming pool to pump through. Yeah, she could. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it goes. Right, just remember to use cold air when you do it because you don't want to, because it's plastic and you don't really want to melt the plastic. So, right. Spread it out completely so the air flows through nicely. I think this is the air hole. Wait, hold on, let's check. Okay, right. Let's do this. Let's make the airway clear. Okay, this feels like surgery. Right. Just call me Dr. Maliha, why don't you? You guys. I'm done. Guys, and this is done. Look at it. Look at that. With a hairdryer and a cutout bottle top. Okay, and this is the result. Oh, okay. Somebody's angry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Meanwhile, I'm making my shepherd's pie, but there's no potato smasher thingy. So I'm not having to use the fork, but Guys, the shepherd's pie is ready to be in the oven, and I'm gonna cook it in like half an hour when everybody's hungry. And that's done. I'm gonna chill out now because I'm dying. Okay, so this is the finished piece, and everybody's eating dinner right now. Enjoying it, yes? Yes.
No.
No. Okay, fine. Okay, everyone's ate. Just cleaned, washed the dishes. It's like, okay, so you guys do the dishes then? Nobody did it. I end up doing it. So, anyway, with that being said, I ain't doing jack shit tomorrow. Okay, and yeah, basically, kids had fun. It's been quite exhausting for me, but it's fine. It's still been productive and, you know, fun, fueled. No lounging around, and yeah, couldn't complain. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you tomorrow in the same place at the same time with the same people. Okay? Bye guys.